Good morning. So today is August 22nd, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in Alameda, California. So let's take a look. So we have this bathtub and tile surround that we're going to be doing here in Alameda. Once again, there are shower doors on this unit here, so we have these holes along here on the tile where the tracks were that we have to fill in, and then we have some holes, kind of some partially filled in holes here that we got to fully fill in. And oh yeah, lovely tub here, worn out. So this is a job for today. Fully refinishing the tub and tile. So we'll follow up once we're complete. Okay, so here's a finish up video of this bathtub and tile surround here in Alameda, California. Let's take a look. Okay, so if you're interested in any of our services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.